Mia had always felt like she was living in a boring world. Her days were filled with school, homework, and chores. She dreamed of adventure, but never believed it could happen to her. One summer afternoon, Mia's grandmother asked her to help clean out the attic. Mia reluctantly agreed, hoping to find something interesting among the old boxes and dusty furniture. As she sifted through piles of forgotten items, Mia's eyes caught a glimpse of a worn-out leather journal. It looked old, with a mysterious aura surrounding it. Intrigued, she picked it up and blew off the dust. The cover had strange, swirling patterns that seemed to shimmer in the dim light. "Mia, what did you find?" called her grandmother from downstairs. "Just an old journal, Grandma," Mia replied. "Can I keep it?" "Of course, dear, but be careful with it. It looks very old." Mia took the journal to her room, eager to explore its contents. She opened it and found that the pages were blank. However, as she touched the first page, words began to appear. "This journal is enchanted. Whatever you write in it will come to life." Mia's heart raced with excitement. She quickly grabbed a pen and started writing an adventure story, imagining herself and her best friend Jake as the heroes. The next morning, Mia couldn't wait to show the journal to Jake. They met at their usual spot in the park. Mia explained everything to Jake, who was skeptical at first, but agreed to give it a try. Together, they sat under a large oak tree, and Mia began to write. Mia and Jake find themselves in a fantastical world, filled with magical creatures, hidden kingdoms, and ancient prophecies. As soon as she finished the sentence, a bright light surrounded them. When it faded, they were no longer in the park. They stood in the middle of a lush, enchanted forest. The trees were taller than any they had ever seen, and the air was filled with the sounds of strange and wonderful creatures. "Wow, Mia, this is amazing!" Jake exclaimed, looking around in awe. Before they could explore further, a figure appeared from the shadows. It was a tall, elegant woman with silver hair and piercing blue eyes. "Welcome, Mia and Jake," she said with a gentle smile. "I am Leora, a sorceress of this realm. I have been waiting for you." Leora led them to a small, hidden village where they met Thorn, a mischievous elf with a kind heart. Thorn was excited to join their adventure and offered to guide them through the enchanted forest. "We have a long journey ahead," Leora said. "The realm is in danger from a dark force that threatens to destroy everything. Only you can save us." Mia and Jake felt a mix of excitement and fear. They had always wanted an adventure, but this was more than they had ever imagined. With Thorn leading the way, they set off on their quest. Their first challenge was to find King Edris, the ruler of the Hidden Kingdom. Leora had told them that he would have the information they needed to defeat the dark force. As they journeyed through the forest, they encountered many magical creatures. Some were friendly, like the talking animals that offered them guidance. Others were dangerous, like the fire-breathing dragon that guarded the entrance to the Hidden Kingdom. Mia and Jake used their wits and newly discovered magical abilities to overcome these challenges. They learned to work together, using their strengths to support each other. One night, as they sat around a campfire, Mia wrote in the journal about a protective spell that would shield them from harm. To their amazement, the spell worked, creating a magical barrier around their camp. After days of travel, they finally reached the Hidden Kingdom. It was a magnificent place, with towering castles and sparkling rivers. They were welcomed by King Edris, a wise and kind ruler who had been waiting for their arrival. "Thank you for coming," King Edris said. "The dark force is growing stronger, and we need your help to stop it. There is an ancient prophecy that speaks of 2 heroes from another world who will save us. I believe you are those heroes." Mia and Jake felt a surge of determination. They knew they had to succeed, not just for the Hidden Kingdom, but for their own world as well. King Edris explained that the Dark Force was an evil sorcerer named Malgor. He had been banished long ago, but had found a way to return. Malgor was determined to conquer the realm and plunge it into darkness. To defeat Malgor, they needed to find 3 magical artifacts: the Sword of Light, the Shield of Courage, and the Amulet of Wisdom. Each artifact was hidden in a different part of the realm, protected by powerful guardians. Mia, Jake, Thorn, and Leora set out on their quest to find the artifacts. Their journey took them through enchanted forests, across treacherous mountains, and over vast oceans. Their first destination was the Cave of Shadows, where the Sword of Light was hidden. The cave was dark and filled with dangerous creatures. Mia and Jake had to use their magical abilities to navigate the treacherous paths and defeat the Guardians. With Thorn's agility and Leora's wisdom, they managed to retrieve the Sword of Light. It glowed brightly, filling them with hope and courage. Next, they travelled to the Crystal Mountains, where the Shield of Courage was hidden. The mountains were steep and covered in ice. They faced many challenges, including an avalanche and a tribe of hostile ice giants. With perseverance and teamwork, they overcame the obstacles and found the Shield of Courage. The shield's power filled them with bravery, readying them for the final challenge. Their last destination was the Island of Secrets, where the Amulet of Wisdom was hidden. The island was surrounded by treacherous waters and guarded by a sea serpent. Mia used her creativity to outsmart the sea serpent, while Jake's strength helped them reach the hidden temple where the amulet was kept. The Amulet of Wisdom granted them the knowledge they needed to face Malgor. With the 3 artifacts in their possession, Mia, Jake, Thorn, and Leora returned to the Hidden Kingdom. They knew the final battle with Malgor was approaching. King Edris gathered his army, and together they marched to Malgor's fortress. The battle was fierce, with both sides displaying great power and bravery. Mia and Jake used the Sword of Light, Shield of Courage, and Amulet of Wisdom to confront Malgor. With their combined strength and the support of their friends, they managed to defeat the Dark Sorcerer and restore peace to the realm. With Malgor defeated, the realm began to heal. The magical creatures returned to their homes, and the Hidden Kingdom flourished once more. Mia and Jake knew it was time to return to their own world. Leora gave them a final piece of advice. Remember, the power of imagination and friendship is the greatest magic of all. As they wrote their final entry in the Enchanted Journal, a bright light surrounded them once again. When it faded, they found themselves back in the park, under the large oak tree. The journal lay in Mia's lap, its pages now filled with their incredible adventure. Mia and Jake looked at each other, their eyes shining with excitement and newfound wisdom. "That was the best adventure ever," Jake said, grinning. "And it all started with an enchanted journal," Mia replied, smiling. They knew their lives would never be boring again. With the journal in hand, the possibilities were endless, and they were ready for whatever adventure came next.